12.13 mystery 4. For each call to the following method, we need to indicate what value is returned. So for this first one, let's actually, before we even do anything, let's understand what's happening here. We have this method right here. It's returning an integer. It's taking two integer parameters. And we're saying if the first one is less than the second one, we're going to return x. Otherwise, we're going to be in this recursive statement. And in this recursive statement, we're returning mystery4, so the same method, and we have x minus y. So we're going to be decrementing x every single time. So this is our base case. This is what's going to end our recursion. So the first thing, we can see that 6 is less than 13, so we are just going to return 6. And for this one, we have 14 and 10. Well, that's going to fall into our else, so we're going to have x minus y, which is going to give us a 4. And then we can return 4, because 4 will be less than 10. For this one, it's going to be the same thing, but you can understand the pattern now. It's probably going to be 7 because we're decrementing. This one, well, if we get down to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. We're probably just going to return a 0. And for this one, think about every single time we're subtracting 7. So this one, if we subtract 7 times, we get 49. So our n should be at 1. That'll pass 5 out of 5 tests, and that's it for this simple self-check 12.13.